YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Wake up. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate. If it's the first time, welcome to the channel and thank you for coming and God bless you. Today we're going to see Gosloto 749 new strategy called the strategy. Let's make money together and I hope we do. So yeah, this is how it's gonna be done. This one must be here. You may subscribe and WhatsApp me to join the WhatsApp group is 100 rand, which is the once off. You only pay once. The phone number is 0619678350. Thank you so much. So we're going to do this. The first one is the code. You take this number that is sitting here, you add them together. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna add them together. Let me see. Yeah. So the answer is 185, right? Yeah. Then you take this 185. It looks like I'm tired. It's 185. 185, you do this. It say 8 plus this one. You do the rest. So the answer here is 14. You put that 14. You split your 14. So we have 14 and you add the plus or minus 10, which is going to give us a 4 and 24. So we have a 14, 4 and 24. All right. Then our 14 also you can say is 1 and 4 or 40 or 10. You can spin your numbers. That's where these first numbers came from. So let's see what happened to the next draw. Alright, I want to see. Here we have 34, 38, 65, 94, 126, 156, 165. 165, you add the numbers together. We have 1, 11, 12, right? The answer is a 12, right? 12, it's either it's 1, 2, 10. When there is 2, there is a 4 and 8. Always break this. Then you have 20. When you spin your numbers, then the plus or minus 10, we have a 22 because 2 is already there. That is how the numbers appeared. Right? So, on today's video, we're going to do it. You see which now 80, 92, 117, 139, 156, 160. We have 167, which when you add the number together is 14. 14 is 10 and the 40 and the 1 and the 4. 24 itself. Then yeah, you do just the way I did, right? Then here we done. Remember to play 8 as well. because we have a 4 in our calculation, which can give us 8 or 2. You can also play 2, right? And then you can add a 0. Spin your numbers 20, 40. That was the first way to calculate your numbers using the code, right? That is how that code was working. Let's start. The other one is like this. Sometimes they're gonna calculate the numbers and they're gonna say, where did this number come from? Where do this number come from? So you take these numbers, you multiply. So here it's 20, right? 20 is always a 2 and 22, and that's how 22 appeared. Then here when you multiply, we have 11. We have a 10. 10 can come back, or 1. Meaning that one of them can come back, or they can bring 11. So that's how 10 repeated. Then when you multiply here, it gave us a 4. 4 or 40 or 44. So meaning that if you are looking for singles, you just play. So you can see 4 repeated. When you multiply here, we're getting 16. So that is a 16 for you. And every time they get 16, you can the additional number or backup of 16 is 13. Because the family of 6 gave us a family of 3. Family of 3 gave us family of 6. Things like that. Okay, so that is it. They're done. So every time you're going to calculate the numbers, use the last numbers, which are standing here, if you want to play the small numbers. Here we have 86. So you play just 8 and 6. The problem when there is 8, there is 2 and 4, right? That is the only problem. Otherwise 86, but however they didn't use the strategy. This is gonna be 88. So we have 8 here. So the small number is 8, right? 8. Yeah, the small number is what? 8. So we have 8, we have 16 or 13, we have 2, we have 20 or 40, we have other numbers. I'm sure you remember. So that is also the strategy to look for the numbers on this Gosloto. I'm gonna keep looking for the hot one. If I get it, I will let you know. Don't worry. So the other one I noticed, they took this one and they used it to here. It's gonna give us a 43, and the 43 is sitting there. So if we do this, we have 35. So add 35 to your calculation. We see you once again. So the number which have the same family, we are missing 37 because 27 is sitting there. So this is 39, 29, and 49. Where is 9 and 19? 9 and 19. So the missing number again is 9 and 19. So yeah, that's how it is. So we have 37, 9, 19, we have 35, we have 8, 14, 24, 40, again and the 4. Yeah, so those are the numbers I remember. I will see you once again. Bye bye.